Hi boys and girls, happy Wednesday. Today is our all virtual day, so that means everyone is learning from home today. But I'm here in our classroom, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about some of our numbers. So we've learned all of our numbers so far up to the number 6. And today we're going to take some time and we're going to work together on the numbers 7 and the number 8. So we're going to start with the number 7 first. 7 is one more than 6. And this is what our number 7 looks like when we make it. And I'm going to teach you our number 7 song. I'm going to start by putting my finger right here on this dot, and I'm going to slide on over to the right. Slide to the right and slant on down. Slide to the right and slant on down. Slide to the right and slant on down to make the number 7. Oh, so when you listen to that song, you might hear a word that you're not familiar with. I use the word slant. And a slant just means like a sideways line, not a straight line, but a sideways line. And I'm going to show you how to make the number 7 on our board. If you would like to pause your video for just a minute and go grab your board and your marker so you're ready to make it with us, you can pause the video now and then rejoin us again when you have your materials. So now that everyone is ready, I have my lid right on the back of my marker, and I'm going to show you how we would make the number 7 using our lines. So I'm going to put my pencil right on the skyline, and I'm going to, oh, you know what? I have to grab a new marker. My marker is running out. I have a blue one right here. Let's see if this one works. Okay, so I'm going to put my pencil right on the skyline. I'm going to slide to the right and draw that slanted line down to the grass line. Watch again. Slide to the right and slant on down to make the number 7. Now we don't want a straight line. This is what a straight line would look like. This is no good. We want to have a slanted line. See if you can fill your whole line in with nice, beautiful, slanted number 7s. Good. All right, if you need to pause your video to keep working, you can do that. If you're all done, you can clear your board, and we're gonna get ready to talk about the number 8. I'm going to erase my board so I'm ready when it's time. And I'm gonna flip our book. 8 is one more than 7. The number 8 comes after the number 7. Now number 8 is a little bit tricky. Number 8 starts off by making a letter. I'm going to start right here on the dot at the top, and I'm going to show you what our song sounds like, and you can watch as I trace my fingers around the 8. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate to make the number 8. Oh, so number 8 kind of looks like a racetrack. It has lots of curvy lines. And we're going to start the number 8 by making the letter S. And I'm going to show you what I mean on my board. I'm going to grab my board and I'm going to start right up by the skyline. And to make an S, it has lots of curvy lines. I'm going to go up and around and curve at the plane line and curve again to the grass line. Make an S. And to close the gate, I'm going to attach my 2 ends. Oh, and mine came out a little bit crooked that time, but that's okay because we're all practicing together. Okay, watch again. Make an S and close the gate to make the number 8. Well, see if you can try to make a number 8 on your board. First, start by making an S and then connecting the lines with a straight line. We call that closing the gate. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate to make the number 8. See if you can fill up all of your lines with the number 8. If you need to pause for a minute to keep working, you can do that. Wow, very nice job. We made it all the way to the number 8 so far. And in the next 2 days, we're gonna work on the number 9 and then the number 10. So many numbers. All right, boys and girls, enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Bye-bye.